Alright, we're back. Today I had some issues with the space drone, but I got it back working. We had a huge light that passed by. It wasn't an explosion. There was no explosions like most people think, but the light passed by and it was a large ray of point 0.9s, point 0.8, and it ascended down to a huge number and then it crashed. So we got it back working after reprogramming everything, and we're back in Linux. About to shut it down, and that was about all. We're talking about how everything in the space drone is outside of what people call a galaxy. I guess I don't take pictures because that is harmful, and I don't do that at all. No, never will. But if people buy them, and from us, once we get them to sell, and they have that capability, they can do that. But as a corporation, we're never getting any pictures out or anything like that. That's solely responsible. Not unethical, I guess. I don't really care about ethics, but that's something that some people do. Uh, but back to the space drone here that you're looking at over there. This is works now. Gotta redo everything and get it all back up. It wasn't a encryption and failure, which is largely not hacking, but it's called a solution, and the solution was found, and they proved that they did find that solution. So, but it's not what we're going through. Uh, we just had that issue. It was pretty cool, and everything works again. Um, that's about it. If you have any